Master the art of online tutoring. Hello there, future tutors. Welcome back to the How to Kickstart channel. Today, we'll journey into the world of online tutoring. This industry has been booming, and it's time we explore how you can tap into this potential goldmine. Online tutoring, the act of teaching or tutoring in an online, virtual environment. This is an incredibly rewarding way to make money online, helping others while working from the comfort of your home. Who can be an online tutor? The beauty of online tutoring is that anyone with a skill or knowledge area they're proficient in can become a tutor. Are you good at mathematics? Are you a whiz at coding? Or maybe you're a language expert? All these skills are in high demand. Platforms for online tutoring. There are numerous platforms where you can register as a tutor. Some popular ones include Chegg Tutors, Wyzant, and Tutor.com. Each platform has its own requirements and payment structures, so do your research. How to get started. First, identify your area of expertise. Next, pick a tutoring platform that aligns with your goals. Ensure you have a reliable internet connection, a good quality webcam, and a noise-free environment. Lastly, create engaging lesson plans, the key to a successful tutoring business. Marketing yourself. In the online world, marketing is crucial. Consider creating a professional website showcasing your skills and experiences, and use social media platforms to reach potential students. Benefits of online tutoring. Online tutoring provides flexibility, the ability to work from home, and the opportunity to impact others' lives positively. Plus, it can be a lucrative venture with many tutors earning above-average incomes. And there you have it. A beginner's guide to start your online tutoring journey. As always, it's your turn to take action. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on making money online. Subscribe to How to Kickstart. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.